My name is Stephen Naylor, the head chef of Story Cellar in Covent Garden. The dish we're cooking today is onion agnolotti with burnt lemon sauce and girolles. So this dish is served on our a la carte, which is available at lunch and dinner. It's a beautiful pasta that's great as a small plate or as a main course. To make the onion farce, we slice Italian white onions and we sweat that down over a very low heat with butter, salt and sugar. We're trying to cook it with no colour until the onions have collapsed on themselves and the water comes out. And then we put some double cream into the pan, a little bit of lemon juice, bring it to the boil. And then when the onions are fully cooked out, we blend it. We weigh the farce and we take 15% semolina and then we put it back into a pan and cook out the semolina. After it's cooled, you put it into piping bags, we're ready to make your agnolotti. To make the pasta dough, we're going to take some 00 flour onto a large chopping board, spread it out with a little well in the middle, put the rich egg yolks with a little bit of English rapeseed oil, a touch of water, and then slowly fold in the flour into the egg yolks, starting from around the outside into through to the middle, and slowly go round with a fork, incorporating the eggs into the flour until we have one dough. And then we're going to knead the pasta for 10 to 15 minutes just to build up that elasticity and the proteins in the flour. And then we're going to rest the dough for about half an hour. We're going to roll it out through a pasta machine until we have long thin sheets. Spread the onion farce in the middle. Then we roll over the pasta over the farce. And then with our fingers, we kind of make little pillow shapes with the farce. Get our agnolotti cutter, go down the sides, trim them up so we end up with nice, beautiful pillows. For the sauce, we make a roasted vegetable stock. And then we emulsify that with butter, a little bit of burnt lemon juice, roasted garlic, salt. So we take a chaufron, a large pan of boiling water. We're going to blanch our pasta for 3 minutes, and then we're going to fold that pasta through our sauce after it's blanched. To plate the agnolotti, we put the agnolotti facing up around the outside of the bowl, nicely separated from each other. We put the girolles spread out throughout the dish and then cover with the sauce and finish with English rapeseed oil on top. There we have the onion agnolotti with the burnt lemon sauce and girolles.